How to use filters on YouTube Shorts. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply filters to your YouTube Shorts. Now without further ado, let's get started. So start by opening your YouTube app. Once you have opened that, simply tap on the plus icon in the bottom of the screen. And once you are in the Shorts recording mode, record your video as desired. And once you are done recording, simply tap on the tick icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now in the new section, you can see the option for filters in the right side of the screen. Simply tap on it to explore and select a filter that suits your video. And once you have added your filter, proceed with uploading your video as usual. And that's how you can use filters on your YouTube Shorts. With this, I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.